Hello students, today we will solve exercise 8.3 from question number 6. And question number 6 is, Arif took a loan of rupees 80,000 from a bank. If the rate of interest is 10% per annum, find the difference in amount he would be paying after 1.5 years if the interest is compounded annually and compounded half yearly. So in the first part we have to find out the compound interest that paid annually. It is clear from the question that principal is rupees 80,000, rate is 10% and time is 1.5 year. So in this question first we calculate amount for 1 year. After that we find out the interest for the next half year. So formula for the amount is equal to principal 1 plus rate upon 100 whole power t. Then we will put value from the question. Principal is rupees 80,000, rate is 10% and time is 1 year. After solving this question we have rupees 88,000. It is the amount for 1 year. Now this amount become the principal for the next half year. So then we calculate simple interest for half year. Here simple interest is principal multiplied by rate multiplied by time divided by 100. After substitute all the value, we have rupees 4,400 and it is the interest for next half year. But in this question we have to find out the interest for 1.5 year. For this we add amount for 1 year and interest for next half year. After adding we have rupees 92,400. It is the solution of the first part of this question. Move to the second part. Second part we have to find out the amount paid by him for half yearly. Here principal is rupees 80,000, rate is 5% because when interest is half yearly, rate become half, then and time is double. It means 1.5 year multiplied by 2 and it become 3 half year. Now put all the value in formula and we have rupees 92,680. It is the amount paid by him when he paid it compounded and half yearly. We have to find out the difference in amount. So difference is 92,610 minus 92,400 and it is rupees 210. Our next question is, Maria invested rupees 8,000 in a business. She would be paid interest at 5% per annum compounded annually. Find the amount credited against her name at the end of the second year, and in the second part we have to find out the interest for the third year. It is clear from the question that principal is rupees 8,000, rate is 5% and time is 2 years. In the first part we have to find out the amount credited against her name at the end of the second year. So amount is equal to P 1 plus R upon 100 whole power n. Then we substitute values from the question and we have rupees 8,820. It is the amount paid by her at the end of 2 years. Now in the second part we have to find out the interest for the third year. For this we calculate simple interest and amount at the end of second year become principal for the third year. So here we write 8,820 for principal, 5% is rate and time is 1 year. Now interest for third year is principal multiplied by rate multiplied by time divided by 100. Then we substitute value from the given information and we have rupees 441. It is the interest paid by her for the third year. Next question is question number 8. Find the amount and compound interest on rupees 10,000 for 1.5 year at 10% per annum compounded half yearly. Would this interest be more than the interest he would get if it was compounded annually? So it is clear from the question that principal is rupees 10,000, time is 1.5 year, rate is 10%. Since the interest is compounded half yearly, so time become double and rate become half. Double of 3 by 2 is 3 half year and half of 10% is 5 year. Now we are going to apply formula of amount. Then we are going to put values in this formula. We have principal is rupees 10,000, rate is 5% and time is 3 half year. After calculating this, we have rupees 11,576 and 25 paisa. For calculating compound interest, we have to subtract principal from the amount. So here CI is rupees 1,576 and 25 paisa. If the interest is compounded annually, then she have to pay rupees 11,550 and CI is 1,550. So interest 1,576 rupees 25 paisa is more than rupees 1,550. Move to our next question. Find the amount which Ram will get on rupees 4,096 if he gave it for 18 months at 12.5% per annum, interest being compounded half yearly. So it is clear from the question that principal is rupees 4,096, rate of interest is 12.5, it means 25 by 2%. But in this question he gave interest half yearly, so rate become half and time become double. So amount is P multiply by 1 plus R upon 100 whole power n, and after placing value from the question we have rupees 4,913.